Yeah, so this is us trying to figure out what we're gonna do today. We're supposed to be filming, but we were gonna do this idea. We had an idea, but we decided to use guns for one of our videos. But I bought 2 Nerf guns and we brought the child out of ourselves, so we kept shooting the fan. See if we can get it on. Good. That one's that. No. Oh. He's out of ammo. Here. Throw this clunky ball at it. Alright. This is really sad. We were running around the house with Mission Impossible going. Well, he was. Then I saw him slide on his face in front of the door. That was pretty funny. You might see the orange streak on the fan. That's him shooting a dart on it. It's pretty awesome. He keeps shooting through it though.
Look at that.
What?
Look at that.
Oh, look at that. Alright. Alright. Well, sharpshooter Anthony be able to hit the ceiling fan like he did before. See if we can do what he did last time. Land it right next to the other one. Oh, something just hit me. Ow. The thing fell off and hit me like in the face. Oh, here we go. Oh, there's the orange streak again. We see it. Oh, it shot back at him. We shot through it again. Oh, here's another one. Oh, it shot at me again. Grabbing it. Oh, I'm falling. Alright. Sorry, that was me.
We've lost along there.
Are you serious?
I have like Pikachu.
Oh man, you lost all my Nerf bullets. I'm gonna have to go to the store and like restock. Be like, hey Maja, I ran out of ammo. Why'd you run out of ammo? Because me and Anthony were shooting a ceiling fan and they kept flying out the window.
No.
Oh, look at that. All right. That's pretty awesome. Yeah, we keep losing the darts. Oh no. This is what you get when you get a Nerf gun to like 2 teenagers who had no childhood. Because their parents wouldn't buy them a Nerf gun. We're gonna get another one. Right, it fell off? We're gonna get another one of those and we're gonna run around like the park or something. You done?
Bingo.
Alright, my turn. I get to shoot the ceiling fan. With only 1 bullet.
Wait, I'll get the other one.
Alright. You gotta go out the window to get it because it flew out the window. Alright, we got it in. Woo! It's about to go to Anthony, so he'll talk to you now. Whenever he gets done picking up the ammo. Alright, there you go.
Will Charles be as good as me? Probably not.
Shut up. Just because I was timing it right and missed. Alright, here we go. I'll pistol whip it.
Coca-Cola. 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 Oh god. Where'd he go? I want to see it. Oh, it went out the window.
Wait, well, I'll take it off. I got one more. One more. Go! Oh, what was that? Oh, I'm gonna do what you did. I'm gonna cheat. That's right, you're a cheater.
Alright.
Alright.
Lovely. Not you. Get out of the way.
I figured that's where you're going after. Cheater! What the crap?
It doesn't like him.
It does not. It's not even spinning. Hold on. Oh, there we go. Oh. That one stayed for me. Alright, let's see. One more shot. Here we go. Actually, I got 2 minutes. I got 2.
I threw that shit.
Right on this side. Alright. Oh! Get around the Anthony. Yes. Ah! I can't even shoot it standing under it. This is sad. Where's it
Because
at?
I'm done with you.
There it is.
There you go.
I give up.
Anger management, baby.
Let's throw Pikachu at it. You ready for this?
Wait a minute.
Ready? Here we go. Oh! I didn't do much. Alright. We're trying this right here.
Woo.
Try again. Oh, that was horrible.
Where'd it go?
This all fly this way. It whizzed by my head. Alright, there it is. Oh, shit! What the? I hate
Get the one covered in
ceiling
foil.
fans.
Get the one covered in foil. Over there.
Huh?
Over there.
Oh. I didn't realize he covered it with, alright, here we go. That was magic. Try again.
Wish I could follow that back.
Oh yeah! Did it hit you?
Yeah.
Oh man. Where's your jacket pocket?
Yeah, this is what we do when we have no life, which is every day.
Went right over.
Oh my God! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Denied! Denied! Where'd it go?
No. This is too heavy, I might break somebody. Alright.
No! Don't look at the word magic! Look at food!
Again?
Huh? Again?
I need to stop sneezing. Again? It's your last time for showing coke.
There we go! Now we're gonna see like 20 people. Click Metallica.
You see nothing?
AC/DC.
You see nothing.
Move.
Oh.
AC/DC, School of Rock, 007, Master Disguise, 50 First Dates.
You have 50 first dates?
Yes. I said I had 61, but...
Okay. Oh, here we
Hey,
go.
look!
What is it?
So, who do you think won? Me or you? With the getting it up.
I did, because I had a 10 fall and I was going.
Yeah, but I got him up.
It hits you.
That's like minus points.
Oh. Well then, Pikachu wins by default.
What are you talking about? Pikachu hit the fan.
Exactly.
Hard.
He hit his head.
Pikachu gets gay points. There's some out the window.
Yeah. We know he's sitting in the front yard. He's over right oh.
I just stepped on something.
I know you're slipping like that. We can sit in the middle of the RTO.
Where do you go?
Down sitting up.
No, I can't find him.
He's over by that statue there, see? Right down on the floor.
No, I don't see him.
Well,
Oh wait, there he is. Hold on, no, wait, there he is. Ah, Pikachu.
Alright, I'll climb out the window again. Okay.
I want to climb up the window.
I'm going. Oh!
I hate this window. It's not letting you have all the fun. Oh.
You landed in like a little trench here. You landed like this for a second.
No, throw it back in. Throw it right here.
Right here.
Denied.
How was that?
Back. Oh. Get here.
Huh?
I'm try. Get here.
Alright. No, yeah, okay. Way to go.
That doesn't count.
That didn't count.
That doesn't count.
Why did mine count?
Because you're strong.
Oh, that has nothing to do with it.
I'm cooler than you.
Yeah,
And
right.
a big nose. According to...
Perfect aim. Oh no, not again.
Not again.
Yeah, not again. Yeah. You gotta stick him in the tail. Looks so weird. You just, you missed. You're not doing a very good job. There we go. Oh, oh.
That good gave us our... The guy gave us... That's fine.
Gotta love people in your neighborhood. Here we go again, ready?
I don't even live in here.
Hey, you had 3, it's my turn. I'll get to toss the Pikachu.
Your turn.
Oh! Flying Pikachu. Alright. Do it baseball style, ready? Oh! So close.
Good care. Authorized dealer.
Huh?
We're gonna get sued. Oh no! Hi!
Yeah, okay.
Okay.
I'm gonna fling him by his ear, ready? There we go.
Oh! You suck.
Shut up, you're no better.
You're such a homo!
You're a homo.
Say about my mama.
I'd say nothing about your mama.
Say about my mama.
I'll talk about your daddy. Oh!
Now, this one is not meant to go in the window.
Okay.
I'm not trying to get this one in the window.
Alright, I'll remember that.
Told you.
You're just saying that so you don't look bad. Yeah! We made it. Oh, what'd you do? Did you hit?
I knocked over a speaker.
One of mine or yours?
Mine? The one on my computer. I won.
Yeah. We'll have another game another time. I'll bet you I won that one. Is the door locked?
But I want to go in through here.
Alright. There we go. Good thing that was. I'm good.
What did you do?
I can't bend. My foot got caught. I fell. Oh, my ankle. Oh man, that hurt. Dude, you should see that. I have that recorded. Yes.
You get points for that.
All right, I get points for almost breaking my ankle. Good thing your bed was here. That would have hurt. Your bed like broke my fall. All right. You ever figure anything out yet?
No. I think that we should publish this video and then let people vote on who won.
Okay.
On both the shooting the fan and getting Pikachu in the window.
Okay. Yeah. What you do is you leave a comment saying who you think won. That's all you gotta do.
Make a video comment.
Oh, a video comment. There you go. That's even better.
I have to. I'm just joking.
That'd be cool though.
I don't know.
I ripped skin off my ankle. I really did. I'm not gonna show